Hi guys, welcome to my home decor channels. I share many different modern home decor, wooden work, living room design. You can see these are very beautiful and wonderful ideas. How to decor modern living room designs. This shows many different sofa styles, chairs and tables and side table designs, wooden work. And this sofa style color shade very beautiful and so nice, and this green color also beautiful and wonderful ideas. And this wooden box sofa design and possess different colors, the styles so amazing and elegant designs. This video so more beautiful and cozy chairs designs show on the bow styles, and these chair styles very beautiful and white color. And this sofa design so farmhouse design sofa, and this sofa design so elegant and wonderful. And this show many different color schemes and velvet shade green color, and this white and layer shape sofa designs are so beautiful. And this design sofa style are so nice and beautiful and excellent designs. And this camel shade color sofa design and this white color designs and round shape sofa design so most beautiful. And this wooden work sofa design and cover with bushes, and these chair styles so nice and back on. And this chair have a arm, and this side table chair so show elephant sketches, and this show monkey side table designs. And this sofa design are so nice and covered with cushions and decorate different styles are so very nice and amazing and wonderful designs. I hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe and write the comment, and watch the complete video. Thanks so much again, and please like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much.